got something to say. If you let somebody else do the work in your boat, you trust but verify. Yesterday, our prop shaft came out of the transmission after we had the shaft seals done at Toms River. Very bad deal. We had to go for 2 locks on one engine with our shaft hanging almost to the rudders. If we'd lost the rudder, we were really in bad shape. So let somebody else do the work, verify what they're doing. So I had to spend 4 hours in and out of the water trying to get the prop back up into the shaft. Got the bearing, it was nasty. Anyway, that's all I got to say. It's all better now.